Well, you can actually do a lot for peace every day, even if you think it's so complicated and it doesn't have to do with you and it's the people out there and up there doing it. No, it's an everyday exercise or um, even joy. For instance, it's important that you talk with people about peace, that you believe in peace, that you tell them we don't have to endure war, we don't have to be fit for war. We can demand that people solve problems peacefully, and we insist on that. We don't want to pay with the lives of people for war. It's not the right way in the 21st century that if there are conflicts between people, between countries, that we start to make the other one into an enemy and think that we have to fight them with weapons or being fought with weapons. That's not the proper way in the 21st century.